Okay, so here's this little Trane XB1000 air conditioner that I filmed I think it was last November. Here it is off. So TM Brain just came to pick something up at this place, like some guitar thing or something, I don't know. So I figured while I was waiting, I'd film it again. And also have a correction as well. So I was watching that video that I made of it. I said it was from 98. Actually, it's from 96. Sorry about that. Kind of scared me if I jumped the train horn. Yeah, it's from 96. I said it was. It's a one. I think it's a 1.5 ton. There's the line set right there. And here's that window unit here. I don't know what brand it is, but I don't know, it's kind of beat up. Anyways, well, it's over and out.